After SHTF, you're going to have to get rid of your garbage somewhere. Sure, you're not going to have as much garbage because you're not going to be buying takeout and you're not going to be, you know, bringing new stuff in necessarily. You'll just be consuming what you've already got on hand probably. But still, there's going to be garbage. You need to go ahead, even if you don't start burning stuff now, you need to have a place designated to burn garbage. You know, in the old days, people even in towns had little incinerators behind their house. Usually they were, concrete or brick affairs, and they were back at the alley in towns. And you would just take your daily or every few days or maybe weekly, take your garbage out and burn it in the incinerator. And that's something we need to look at being able to do again. You may live in a place where they frown on you burning. I know here technically we're only supposed to burn yard trash, but after SHTF you need to know where you're going to get rid of that garbage. Don't just put it in a bag and throw it out in the yard. That's not a good idea. Of course, every time I start a fire, the wind kicks up and I end up out here having to really watch it. All the more reason to have a dedicated place that you can have a fire. And even if you're not going to do that now, think about it, because if you don't get rid of the garbage, you're going to end up with a bunch of mice and rats and things like that. You don't want that.